So a while back, a piece of the inside corridor handle snapped off. I looked at all of the options if I could find just the piece that I'm missing so I could buy it, but I couldn't. So since I have a 3D printer, I decided to make my own. And I do have to say, it looks quite nice. But how it started? In Blender. Now it started with the cube. I had to make a bunch of measurements so I could vaguely design it, and this is what the design initially looked like, just boxed out. Now the angles were not entirely correct, so I did have to make a version 2, but let me show you version 1. Now, in case you would like to see the whole process, how I made this, do let me know. Otherwise, this is just a jump cut from one section to the next, so you can see how it was made. Now this was a pain in the butt to do, but it actually was not needed if I just thought a little bit more about it. This could have been fully sealed and complete. So this was the first handle that I printed. It was printed in this direction, and as you can see on the bottom you don't actually need all of the slots that I've made. It could have been full. This handle actually did look a lot nicer than the second one that I made, and that's mostly because I printed it face down. But the second version of the handle had one major improvement: the bottom. The first one was just a bit too tall and it was not offset correctly, so the screw actually did not go into the hole. Well, it did go into the hole, but it did not screw into the core chassis. So while the handle did hold, it was not screwed down. So this is what I made. Let's hope it fits. Does look beautiful, at least in the section that counts, which is the top. So this is the piece. I printed it with, I think, automatic but minimal supports. Layer height was 0.1. I do like the top, but I do also have some blobs, I think. But that may be because, well, the filament, I pretty much left it outside on the spool holder, and well, I have not used it probably for a month. But still, I do like the result. That's why I got the printer, so it just works when I need it. So the big supports, okay to remove. What about the little ones? Let's see. Oh, look at that. I guess also quite easy to remove. Now this bottom section is all a mess, but I don't really care because this will be hidden. Maybe I'll need to introduce some flame quickly to get rid of all of the stringing, and well, I do have this inner section that I have to remove, so maybe I actually don't need to remove that. This is the original one on the left, which has this section broken. No idea how someone managed to do that. Maybe someone tried to remove it previously. So this was for Citroen and Peugeot, but no idea what to actually search for and if you can even find this part. So that is why I made it, this one. And hopefully it will fit inside because the curvature is not the same, and also the top curve is basically not the same as what I made. Oh yeah, maybe last piece that I can test. The last piece that I can test is the cover. This is the original one. I also later made one custom for this one. I did not print it yet, but it should fit nicely. This one, the original one though, will not fit. So let me take some flame to get all of these off, and then we can do a test fit. So with a bit of post-processing with the flame, I think it looks okay, but it had one issue, and that was the dimensioning. The screw did not go in, and the cover almost fit. So this piece on the bottom was too tall, at least in the first version. So that is why I made a second one, which repositioned the lower part, and I also made sure that it is not as tall. So the design was fixed with version 2. I also printed a cap. Now, because I printed it face down on the plate, it actually looks kind of hideous, but as you can see, the screw actually fits and the cap also covers it nicely. Now I would consider this project a success. I can always go back and reprint the handle if I need to. I will also upload the files and leave the links in the description in case you want to print them yourselves. The handle will work, or at least should, on the Citroen cars, at least when it comes to Citroen C3 year 2018 and on. And based on the label on the handle, it should also fit on some Peugeot cars. But do let me know in the comments down below. That's it for this video. If you liked it, subscribe to the channel and we'll do something else in the next one.